Ever feel like you want to grow your YouTube channel, but somehow weeks and weeks go by and you still haven't posted anything? You say to yourself, I just need that good video idea, and then I'll shoot it tomorrow, I'll edit it over the weekend, but that tomorrow it never comes, and that weekend it never comes. And trust me, I know it because I lived it. I quit my first YouTube channel, Rookie Handyman, 3 times before actually being consistent with it, and I know how you feel. You have these big dreams, you have a huge potential, but you're stuck. You're not posting, you're not growing, and you just watch other people pass right by. Why does this happen? It's not because you're being lazy or procrastinating. No, it's because the task at hand, it just feels too big. YouTube feels like this giant mountain. You need to have a perfect video idea, a full script, a great light, a camera, laptop to edit it, thumbnail, SEO, title, everything. And by the time you think of all of that, your brain, it says like, that shit, like let's do something easier. Let's scroll TikTok, for example, right? But here's the truth. You can outsmart that part of your brain, because laziness, it's just a pattern, and those patterns, they can be changed. This is something I talk about in Creator Sports community with our fellow creators. There are 3 steps that you can take to go from being a procrastinator to being a consistent creator. Step number 1 is to make it small. Big content goals are overwhelming and you need to shrink them. Don't think to yourself, I need a plan, I need to shoot, edit, I need title, thumbnail, everything. No, all in one day, like it's too much. Just open your notes and write one idea. Just one sentence. That's your first win. You want to film something? Don't aim to shoot a full 10-minute video. No, just record a 30-second shorts on your phone, and it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be made. The same way you climb a huge mountain, step by step. You grow your YouTube channel one action at a time. And this ties perfectly with step number 2, which is building creators' routines. You need to stop relying on motivation because it dies out quickly. Trust me, I know it. Instead, you need to build up a content habit. This could be as simple as brainstorming video ideas every Monday morning, or writing one script section during a lunch break, or uploading one short on Sunday, no matter what. The goal right here is to make YouTube a part of your weekly rhythm, and not this stressful task that just keeps burdening you and you keep pushing it for later. And you will do that by starting small and staying consistent with that small. And step number 3 is actually pretty genius, and this got me to stay consistent with my YouTube game, and that is 2-minute rule. Think about it. The hardest part of creating something is starting. And with the 2-minute rule, you don't promise yourself you'll finish the whole video today. No, you just commit to 2 minutes. Like, write something for 2 minutes, open the editing program and edit that video for 2 minutes, or just record 2 minutes of B-roll. Because once you start, your brain shifts, momentum kicks in, and what felt hard becomes doable. And here's one very cool bonus tip. Reward yourself for starting. After 2 minutes of progress, just celebrate, like play a song that you love, step outside for a fresh air, or just tap yourself on the back and say, good job, dude, you did it. Because we are not machines, we need feedback to keep going. And when it comes to the feedback, if you're looking for a place where you can share your videos and get the feedback on it, where you can connect with other like-minded creators on the same journey as you, I highly recommend checking out Creator Sports community. We share, we help, and we motivate each other to succeed on this YouTube journey, because doing it alone is much harder than doing it together. I know, again, trust me. And one more thing, even the biggest creators on the platform, even they procrastinate. They overthink things, they miss uploads, but they just don't quit. Think of YouTube like a fire. Let's say this is a fire, and right now it's just a little tiny spark. I know this is not a fire, this is a flower, but think of it as a fire. And every time you write a title, you make a thumbnail, you film a short, you upload a video, you are adding a fuel to this fire right here. And if you add enough fuel, over time, this little spark, it will become a huge roaring flame. And if you're worried about all this AI bullshit that's going on lately, I highly recommend checking out this video right here. Like, do this one thing correctly and your views could 15x in 1 year. For real. Thank you guys for watching this video right here, and I will see you in the next one.